In number patterns, you have to find the relations between the numbers, so it will be easy to solve the pattern. Here is an example. The question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes next? You have to find the relations. You have to add plus 1 to the previous number. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Here the relation is we have to add plus 1 to the previous number. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the answer is 7. Here is our second example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what's the answer? The relation is we have to add plus 2 with the previous number. That means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the relation is we have to add plus 2 with the previous number. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So the answer is 12. Friends, do you find easy? Friends, in previous examples, we have seen numbers in increasing order. So that is a growing pattern. Friends, in this example, the numbers are going to be in decreasing order. So the pattern is shrinking pattern. The question is 18, 15, 12, 9. So the relation is we have to reduce 3. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. The relation is we have to reduce 3. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is the answer. Here is another example. The question is 60, 50, 40, 30. The relation is we have to reduce 10 lesser with the previous number. 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. So the relation is we have to reduce 10 lesser than the previous number. 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. The answer is 20. For smaller patterns, we can use addition and subtraction. For bigger numbers, you can use multiplication and division also. For complicated patterns, we use different combinations for solving the pattern easily, like addition and division, subtraction and division, multiplication and addition, and multiplication and subtraction. Let's see one last pattern to explain this briefly. The question is 2, 5, 11, 23. What comes next? The relation is, friends, you have to multiply 2 with 2 and add plus 1 with the answer. Shall we do it, friends? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 22. 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. Friends, the relation is you have to multiply with 2 and add plus 1 with the answer. 23 into 2 is equal to 46. And 46 plus 1 is equal to 47. So the answer is 47. Friends, in the last pattern, we have used both multiplication and addition. Did you enjoy the video, friends? In our next video, we are going to give only patterns to solve it. Be ready, friends. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.